Good day, all. Today's topic is Voluntary Retirement Scheme Compensation, also known as VRS Compensation, which is covered under Section 10, Subsection 10C. Now, what do you mean by VRS? Voluntary Retirement Scheme Compensation is also known as Golden Handshake. Why is it known as a Golden Handshake? Here, the employee leaves the organization before attaining superannuation. Superannuation is nothing but the retirement age. As a part of leaving the organization, his service would remain incomplete, and therefore a compensation will be given to cover for the same. So an employee voluntarily on his own before attaining superannuation, before attaining his retirement age, he is willing to resign from the organization. So the organization will pay such a VRS employee a compensation, a lump sum amount, and that is called as VRS compensation. And usually the amount is comparatively huge. That's why it is known as a golden handshake. Now, what are the rules for VRS compensation? We have two basic criterias, and as far as those two criterias are concerned, we take a value whichever is more. Which are those two criterias? Salary for remaining months of service. Point to note, remaining months of service. If an employee has 2 years of service still remaining, that will be taken as 24 months. Suppose if an employee is still to serve for 2.5 years, so it will be 12 into 2, that will be 24 years for 2 months, plus 6 more months, so that will be 30 months. So salary for remaining months of service, or 3 months salary for every completed years of service. Suppose if an employee has put in, say, 22 years of service, 22 years, completed years of service, then it will be 22 into 3 into the salary amount. And among these two, A and B, point A and B that you see, whichever is more, let us call that number as X. Moving further, what are the VRS rules? Least of the following will be exempt under Section 10, subsection 10C. It is the actual compensation amount received, statutory limit of rupees 5 lakh, and point C is this X amount, that is salary for remaining months of service or 3 months salary for every completed years of service, whichever is more. That will be the criteria which will be recorded over here. And among these three numbers, A, B, and C, whichever is less, that will be the exempt amount under Section 10, subsection 10C. Now, again, we come across the term salary. What is the meaning of salary for the purpose of VRS? Salary for the above purpose means the last drawn salary. Meaning of salary is same as applicable for the employee not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. For an employee not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act, we include three concepts: basic, second is DA with conditions attached. It will be included only if it is given under terms of employment, or if it is given, it is included for retirement benefits, or it is given, it is included for superannuation benefits. And the third aspect that will be included in meaning of salary is commission, provided it is given as a percentage of turnover. So this is the meaning of salary for the purpose of voluntary retirement scheme compensation. That's all for this session. Thank you.